That makes me feel even worse now. Feet's disappeared.
Not like the rounded.
Diatria, they moved. That much, that's it. Don't run this up like a pure free, and I'll see who's playing who.
No, like that's not them. That's not them. Oh, that's not them.
No, I'm not. Game cyn o'i Now we will
Yeah, Joe.
Good pass. And again, and again, and again. Oh. I love the drop kick.
semi-final hold on in that one.
Yeah.
When Joe and Carl semi-final card, yeah.
Oh.
Fi'n gwybod yn nhw bod o ar y final y cwpan y ferched, ond...
I think that's the end of forecast.
Wesley in tenth place.
Hwnna anfon
Mi fydd gêm Ystafera ag Eglwys Newydd yn cael ei chwarae ar cae 2 rwan, os ydych chi'n gallu mynd draw i'r caeau, please. Ystafera and Whitchurch are playing on pitch 2 now, if you can go over, please. Mae Glantaf a Caerdydd ar Fro yn cael ei chwarae ar cae 6 rwan. So Glantaf and Cardiff and the Vale College are playing on page 6 now, if you can make your way over, please.
Where's game 6?
Alan, oes ref am pitch 6?
Oh, right.
Yeah, so I'm going to jump on you, but I'll get one down there for you now. Steve!
Yeah, guys, what's on pitch 6? This game is on pitch 6. Semi-final
between Glanthap and Carmack, yeah?
Oh, yeah, Thomas, you're going to do it.
You're on 6 guys.
Yeah, hang on.
Did you hear that?
We've got Northern Edge.
Ymddiheuriadau, mi fydd Caerdydd ar Fro a Glanthab yn aros ar Caerdydd. So, Cardiff and Vale College and Glanthab, game will be staying on the pitch one.
Great tackle! Holding shit! That one, when they decide they want to play the game, is just pretty good. And they've just changed the kick-off time for like the 10th time in the last 2 seconds. I know. That I don't know either. So long as there's 14 players ball on me, I don't really care anymore.
Was it?
It's 38 City.
We're on a game there, so then.
Well, yeah, they've just moved Joe. They want as many ones. everyone's like on a 6 just now. They took it off and they just threw it back on it.
Ben, am I right? 10 minutes in the final? I know it always has been 10, isn't it? Like you move your way in back. I might have said you.
Is Adam still in the women? I know Craig has come off. What's that? I thought I didn't see. Oh, do you want to put up a line across the the problem is trying to find the 70s tournament itself because it's not run through WRU anymore. I tried getting on the Bournemouth second the longer cup. I've played for the last 3 years, 4 years, yeah. Every year I've played, but this year I've pulled out.
Oh, Dylan, calling an old man.
Someone's called the Holland, there's like a little island off the beach, and that's a massive party fest up there. We played there 4 or 5 years ago.
Ready as the moment.
You don't like this? Huh? Have I seen you more there? Are you?
The boys from Estavera were just talking.
Yeah, I did.